evening. So we've had a bit of a stroll today from Loo to just outside Fowler, about 3 miles away, which we'll get to tomorrow. Found the perfect camping for a bit of wild camping, which you'll see in the video after this one. So yeah, it's not bad, huh? Pretty good. So I just wanted to talk about the kindness that we've started to come across on this trip. It's really starting to stand out. We had a lovely lady the other last week. We was having a bit of a nightmare in Dartmoor, and she overheard us as we were trying to figure out what to do, having a cup of tea, and she gave us a lift to a bus stop. She was playing some very funky music and gave us a nice little guided tour of the different little things along the way, so that was really, really cool. The other day we had been probably walking for 10 or 11 hours and we were done, and the day had kind of got lost on us a little bit, and we got into Seaton and we was out of water, and I walked past this lady and I just said, is there any tap in the village where we can top up our water bottles? And she was like, give them here, I'll top them up. And she topped up the water bottles, and then obviously thought that we was just on, had no energy left, so gave us a packet of Boost chocolate bars, which I have to say was very welcome. And then a bit later we were walking through trying to find somewhere to wild camp, and this was getting on a bit now. And Ben, who used to come from Ramsgate, met us and was just really kind, offered, you know, soothing words and encouragement and stuff, and yeah, was a really, really nice guy, and we chatted for about 10 minutes with him, and then he cycled off on his way and we went off on our way. Unfortunately we didn't find anywhere to camp that night, so we ended up in a pub in Hessenden, I think it was, called the Copley Arms, and the landlord and landlady and the staff were absolutely fantastic. Do you know, I mean, the kindness they showed us that evening was amazing and quite heartwarming. Yeah, so thank you to them, and if you're ever over that way, I recommend their pub. It's a proper good old school boozer where you can have a drink and a laugh. And then today we met a lovely Aussie guy who was over here with his 2 young kids, and they were doing a little 18-kilometre hike along the same stretch as us today. Really kind, good chats, and then we stopped for a bit of a break, and he came down and gave us an apple and a couple of nectarines each, which, you know, he didn't have to do, but he did, and yeah, it was a real boost. Not that we needed a boost today, but it was nice to have a bit of fruit and stuff. So in a world that, you know, we get told isn't full of kindness, or people that want to help others don't always believe it. Yeah, kindness is everywhere, and if you're struggling to find it, maybe try being a bit kind to yourself, because you tend to reflect back what you put out there. We try and you know, have an impact on the people's lives that we go past while we're here, and I think that's coming back. So yeah, take care. Just wanted to say, keep smiling and be kind. Alright, and this is our view for the night. It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And you'll see the rest of it in the next video with the tent. Alright, take care everyone. be anywhere in the world, but no, we're in Cornwall. Honestly, it's like paradise on these little caves you come across. The water is so clear, beautiful. We've got to walk along top of it. Morning everyone. So we've just walked 20 minutes from the top of that hill where we wild camped last night. And it's about 7:30 in the morning. I'm going to go for a little swim in the sea this morning. Around this place. Just over that hill. We've got a castle which is stunning. So I'll show you some pictures of after the video. And then this is where I'm going to go for a dip this morning. At 7:30 in the morning. Not the only one here though.